Hello and welcome to the Advanced CELPIP Preparation course. My name is Amardeep Singh and I am going to be your trainer in this course. This is basically a preparation course. Here I am not teaching anything. In this course, you are going to get access to my portal where you will be getting 75 practice tests. Okay, so to get an idea about my profile, just pause the video and go through it. I'll just brief you, okay, for I am an online trainer. I provide training on mainly English language tests nowadays, like IELTS, CELPIP, PT, Duolingo, okay, and other English language tests. I have 9 years of experience, and last from 6 years, I'm into English language test classes. Okay, I do online, live, one-on-one, and offline classes. Okay, now coming to the main thing, why this is the best practice platform for you. The thing is, like, you are going to get 15 comprehensive mock tests, okay, and 60 sectional tests, so 15 each. For reading and listening, auto evaluation is there. The moment you submit the answer, you will get your score. And for writing and speaking, expert evaluation is there, so it will take a big time, and that evaluation will be based on the official marking criteria. The main thing is, like, you do not need teacher for, let's say, listening and reading. Why? Because there is detailed explanation, okay, for all the modules, but mainly for reading and listening. That explanation is going to be helpful, because students are able to score 9 bands, in your writing and speaking. Here they even are scoring 10 also, but in reading and listening, many students, I have seen, like, they are struggling. Okay, mostly are at 7 8, and after 2 or 3 attempts they are scoring 9. This is happening with many students. Usually students think self-pip easy. Yes, it's easy in writing, because in IELTS scoring 7 in writing is difficult. So they think of alternate from that point of view, and they score 9 here easily. But reading and listening is a bit difficult here, and for that we have detailed explanation here. Okay, and the interface is very user friendly. Okay, you won't feel any difference, like, in our interface and the main exam interface. Okay, and the main thing, we have not prepared our mock test just for the sake of providing something to students. We have kept official exam standard in mind. Whatever the standard is of the paragraphs, the standard of the questions, we have kept those. Even we have followed the same theme. Like in some reading questions, they ask you, like, what is the relation between x and y. Okay, then what is the mood of x. Okay, what our xyz is thinking about something. Okay, so you won't feel any difference. Okay, many students say, like, it was just kind of practice for them. They did not feel any difference taking test on our portal and main exam. Okay, and the main thing, 4 month validity is there, so you don't need to worry about the validity period here. So this is our portal, and after you have enrolled, you will get immediate access. Okay, you don't need to wait. That is the main thing. And to take test, you have to go to online test, and here you will have what, you will have different tabs: mock test, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. In mock test, you have all the tests. Okay, 15 tests will be there. And let's say you want to take reading, so you go to reading, and there you click on take test, and take test. And let's say you want to analyze, then what you have to do, you have to, let's say, click on this one, view analysis here. Okay, you can go to test history also and then analyze. Otherwise you can click on this one, view analysis. And here you will first get your score. Okay, and then in reading tab, you have what, you have section wise, part wise details. Like in first one, you got full marks, this student got full marks. Here he lost 2, here 2 are incorrect, here 4 are incorrect. Now the main thing, let's say, like, you want to analyze why a particular answer is correct or incorrect. So let's say we jump to your this particular question, and here answer is incorrect. So the answer is like 15 minutes away, and the student answer rather expensive. So why this is incorrect? So you have the solution here. Okay, in the same way you have word, in the same way you have listening module also. Okay, to analyze, you can click on test history, and click on the test to analyze, or you can go to online test and click on the test to analyze it. So let's say if I jump on to this particular one. So here The score is like 6. Why? Because students made these many mistakes here. Okay, these many mistakes. And now let's say you want to analyze. For example, these questions are incorrect. So it's not we are just telling you this is the correct or this is the incorrect answer. Okay, here you are getting script also highlighted, like from where like you are getting the answer. So here you are getting script also, like this is the script where the particular question was discussed. So have you have this thing, okay, in your portal. Now in the same way you have your writing and speaking modules. To take these tests you have to click on writing and click on take test, and that's all guys. So this is how it works. Okay, the moment you are enrolled you will get access to the portal. Okay, and that's all. And in the future we are planning to include lectures also. So if we have any study material or lecture or PDF based thing, that you will find in study material. Okay, right now we are providing uh, PDF based study material, so that material you will find here, okay, in our study material section. Okay, so this is how our portal works. So I hope you have got the idea. Now click on the buy now button, enroll for the course and start your self journey. That's all guys, thank you very much.